Hey guys, welcome back to Omnitorials. Today I'm going to show you how to remove pesky blemishes, pimples, and beauty marks using the spot healing brush. First thing we're going to do is drag the image into Photoshop. This particular image is of Kendall Jenner. As you can see, she is having a pretty bad skin day and got caught looking not so glamorous by the paparazzi. So we're going to zoom on in. Go over to our toolbar and select the spot healing brush. You're going to want to make sure sample all layers is selected, and then we're going to go ahead and create a new layer. Now we can zoom on in. I like to use a softer brush with soft edges to help blend with the natural skin tone. You want to make your brush size about 2 times the size of your blemish that you're trying to cover. And now you're ready to make those blemishes disappear. All you have to do is click, and the Photoshop algorithm does the work for you. You can change the size of your brush to make sure you can get into some of the finer areas. Keep using your spot healing brush until you get a natural, smooth skin tone. Just keep on clicking until you get a hang of it. You can see the difference. It might be necessary to readjust the size of the brush to get into tight spots. After you're happy with your photoshopping, zoom out and look at your results. The difference is clear. Thanks for watching Omnitorials, guys. Remember to like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions down in the comments.